easy breezy, making sure GPS is enabled on your Apple Watch. So we're gonna go here. We wanna make sure the Wi-Fi is enabled. So we're gonna click on the crown, go to the settings, go to Wi-Fi. Should connect to your, I'm connected to my Wi-Fi here. So that's on, great. I'm going out, I'm going down, going to privacy and security. And I wanna go to location services and making sure that's turned on because that uses GPS and that helps you determine your location. So you could, accurately track your data, and also hopefully this syncs up with what is spit out in the VDOT app, which you could also sync on here. I have VDOT, I believe. Yeah, so this is, you open your the app to connect more on VDOT by going into your phone to accept the permissions, and then once both sync, you save and upload the data and it populates into VDOT. Hope this was helpful.